Hi guys, for today's accent training, we are going to learn the dark L sound. Last week, we talked about the light L sound. Again, when we're making the light L sound, a tip of your tongue presses at the back of your front teeth and then release it quickly. How about the dark L sound? How to make the dark L sound? Actually, the L becomes dark before a vowel or a consonant. And a native speaker usually pulls back the sound from the root of the tongue towards the throat, like this. O, 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 O. Example. Repeat after me. People. People is not people, but it's people. There were many people at the party last night. There were many people at the party last night. Apple. It's not apple, that is the light L sound, but it's apple. A red apple, a red apple. Stable. I don't think he will settle down. He doesn't have a stable job. I don't think he will settle down. He doesn't have a stable job. Meal is not meal, but it's meal. I don't really eat breakfast. I often have 2 meals a day. I don't really eat breakfast. I often have 2 meals a day. Table. The table has turned. Now she's the manager of the company. The table has turned. Now she's the manager of the company. Alright guys, so I created a list for you to practice and I look forward to seeing your tasks. Keep practicing and I'll see you around. Bye for now.